London, mate.
I fuck who I want when I want to.
That's my
Ain't no rules in the jungle.
London,
Niggas getting high, getting drunk in the jungle. You should get the leftover sips from my uncles. Niggas, you should really give a shit. We was humble. Then my little niggas got dark with the sun go. We was sitting
working with Major Lazer, one of the biggest artists and biggest guys in Africa. How was that experience? How did he get on that jam?
It belonged to some other DJs at the time from South Africa. And when they gave me the beat, it was basically just the melody for the hook, right? And it wasn't even that hook at the time, it was a different hook. So I just pretty much added the first verse on the beat just to lay down the idea. And when Major Lazer went to my Maurice's place and they heard it, they liked it, so they took it. Yeah. Oh, what's up, G? How you doing?
Yesterday, right?
Yeah. This is you.
Love follows me like I retweet. Yo, don't hate on me and waste your breath when you could breathe. Yo, legendary.
I now have my second special guest in the building. Goes by the name of Nasty C, hailing from South Africa. Nasty C, how we doing, my bro?
I'm doing great, man. How are you?
I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. You're only 21, right?
Yeah.
21 years old. The music has taken you all around the world, even to Sway in the Morning.
Yeah.
Now, I saw that.
Insane.
That was very dope. That sick freestyle as well.
Young hyena, I eat ya. Young high beast on high beast, I'm eat the track keep up. Will not need for any besides Jesus, and my girl got a Khaled album body.
I felt pressure when I went there.
Why did you
know,
feel so much pressure?
man, because it's Sway.
We got a hyena up in here.
What have you been up to? Where have you been going?
Just mostly interviews, really. But every time I drive around now, versus when I was here the last time, I get to stop wherever I can stop, look at whatever I didn't get to see the last time. We out in the streets of London, bro, having so much fun out here. This is what I wanted to do this whole time: just chill outside, get some air, eat, drink, all that type of stuff. Strings and bling. King out, jungle out, strings and bling. 6th of June, 6th of July. I mean, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a good summer. Legendary because just like when you listen to the lines, love follows me like I retweet, don't hate on me, something like that. I can't remember what it said.
Hashtag, whatever you wanna call me, we just did Nasty's listening party. Wow, the world is not ready for what's about to happen right now.
Scream that you hate me when I know you don't. It's okay, I fucked up so much, I'm still surprised you don't. What's your plan? To love me forever like you promised in 11th grade and never break that promise, even though I didn't hesitate.
Get it. Hold on. Get it. Hold on. Look. I say, every star came with a scandal, but it's nothing Jiggy Jigga can't handle. Now should I tell you I don't ever introduce myself, and it ain't cause I ain't got no manners. Have you ever seen a kid work harder than Nana? I ain't never had no Nana. These niggas hating on me cause they don't matter. I'm Jiggy Jesus in Balenciaga sandals. Now you know. I'm a goat on the low.
Actually, I wanted you to say something in
Zulu, yeah.
Okay, good.
Wangu muntu lalele right now. Then the show go to Nikechi for the bread show.
Oh, that sounds so good. Can you say it one more time?
Then the show go to Nikechi for the bread show.
You niggas got balls talking all that shit.
You remember this guy?
Niggas these days talk more than a bitch. Internet gangster, click boy click. Shut the fuck up, dog. Sit boy sit. Being fake niggas, we just don't mix.
I'm thinking of dropping a lot of music, so I'm thinking like 5th album.
5th
5
album?
years?
That's nice.
Yeah, I'm thinking 5th album. I'm on my 2nd one right now. I'm thinking 5th album. It's already started. It's called Tall Rex because that's the agenda.
What's the worst kind of accident or like situation where you're like, oh man, this is a nightmare when you've been on stage?
Oh, I fell. Most of my hits came from like hotel studio vibes.
That's the thing though. You've got to you've come from that though. Like you've come from just recording it in your room.
Yeah, so I'm used to it.
Come on! I see you, my guy! Warming up on them. Put the mission on go-go. If it's not in my business, I'm no-nos. Back to broke is a no-go. And it's in my head to go regulate while playing the shit out my own role. Toasting to my own goals. When I get invited to celebrate someone else's, I just might be a no-show. And I'm familiar with the sweat, ayy. That's what I had to do to win, ayy. I treat the booth like a gym, ayy. Can't afford the pockets going thin, ayy. Big money talk that talk back. This money should have podcasts. If I walk on my pieces, will they call me Jesus? I'm putting my MOB up and drop my TOP down. I'm saying this car got E-cups. This whip strip like B now.
Perfect.
Hey. Yeah, tell that.
Hey, Nasty C, the car, see you, my guy. Flavor.
We in here, Charlie.
Yeah, brother.
We in here, Charlie.
Come on, my guy.
Yes, sir.
And that right there is fire in the booth.
It's Tim Westwood TV up at Capital Extra, representing SA, baby, South Africa to the fullest. The youngest in charge, super turn and super lit. My man Nasty C, let's go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Coolest kid in Africa.
And why are you calling Iverson tall, man?
Ivy is my mother's name, you know, and my mother passed away when I was like 11 months, so I don't know my mother like that. But I like to do everything in her name because I feel like she's watching over me. She's always protecting me. She's always making sure I'm okay.
You were over, like, you were in the UK for One Africa. Another good look for you, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Now, you shot a
Shout
video.
out to Polo.
Say it.
Shout out to Polo.
Big bad bitch, nice weave, skin bleached. Independent ass, got her own 2 feet. Losing on sleep, riding beats all week. Smoking on the roads till I'm ghost, till I'm peaked. Geeked, 40K feet in the air, getting drunk. You the type of nigga I don't mix with. I ain't got a plan, I'm just going off of instinct. Tell whoever's paying, make the transfer instinct. We are not the same, I am 1 in a trillion. Yeah, I ain't going back to broken, that's a finag. I got a white girl calling me her dinner. She about to tell the whole crew where the pin at. You gotta ask your juice where it's been at. Whoa, whoa.
Smashed it, baby.
But I gotta say, man, thank you for joining me in the studio today. I really appreciate it. And good luck for tonight.
You niggas got balls talking all that shit. Niggas these days talk more than a bitch. Internet gangster, click boy click. Shut the fuck up, dog. Sit boy sit. Being fake niggas, we just don't mix. They hugging too tight, now it's dick on dick. This is my journey.